Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, today is going to be a fragrance battle between Giorgio Armani Si and Giorgio Armani Si Intense. I'm super excited for this video. I did show this in my haul, so if you'd like to see all of the fragrances that I've picked up, definitely click the link down below, and I will also have my fragrance playlist up here so you can so you know where to find all of my fragrance related videos. But today the focus is on these two bad boys, which I'm so excited for this video because if you know, Si is one of my all-time favorite fragrances. I've mentioned it a ton of times on my channel. I've also done a review on, I believe, 3 of the Si ranges, so Si Passion, Si Fiori and the original Si. So I will also leave that in the description box down below if you're interested. But let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to start off with the original Si just because it's been out the longest. So this is a Chypre fruity fragrance for women and it was launched in 2013. So it's been out for quite a minute. The top notes are black currant liqueur, the middle notes are rose de mai absolute and freesia, and the base notes are patchouli and oak moss. So the bottle I have here is the 50ml. I also have the 150ml. So you can tell I love this product when I have like multiple bottles in different sizes. But just focusing on the 50ml, this retails for £78 or $98 US. The 100ml retails for £105 or $128 US. The main accords are woody, vanilla, aromatic, soft spicy, fruity, green, and patchouli. So I have spoken about this fragrance before, so I'm not going to go like too much into detail, but I would say that for me this fragrance is like, it's so sultry. It's the perfect balance between sweet and soft spicy, and you get the soft spice from like the vanilla, like wood, patchouli notes. This for me is like, oh, it's just goodness in a bottle. I absolutely love it. I love that it's sweet yet spicy, it's feminine, it's sexy. I absolutely love this fragrance. For me, this is like a crowd pleaser. It's a little fruity, it's a little sweet. It's the type of fragrance that has the perfect balance. Like, it's not too sweet, it's not too fruity, it's not too spicy. It's just a bit of everything, which is why I feel like it's such a classic for Giorgio Armani, because it doesn't lean towards too sweet or too spicy. It has the combination of everything. And what's odd about this is that when I was online, this was classified as a woody fragrance, but I would not, in my opinion, I don't think this is a woody fragrance at all. I definitely wouldn't categorize it as woody. I would say it's more on the sweeter side, with a little bit of fruity elements in it. I would definitely say overall that this is a very safe fragrance. It's very feminine. It's one of those fragrances that I get compliments on. In terms of longevity, I would say that this lasts around 8 hours, probably more. It's a very long lasting fragrance. It lasts amazing on the skin. When it dries down, oh my god, like, oh, it smells so good. But I definitely say it's a crowd pleaser. To me, I don't think it's offensive. It just has the right amount of sweetness, the right amount of everything, really. So overall, I don't have any bad words to say about Si, other than that maybe too many people are wearing it. But to be fair, I feel like for a very popular fragrance, I haven't smelt this fragrance on a ton of people, but it is a very popular fragrance and there's a reason why, because it's absolutely amazing. And then onto Si Intense. So this actually came out in 2021, so this is a relatively new fragrance, and this is meant to be considered an amber floral fragrance. I believe this one is slightly more expensive than the original Si. The 30ml is £60. For some reason I couldn't find the prices in US dollars, but for 30ml it was £60, for 50ml it's £84, and then for 100ml it's £112 or $136 US. So it is a little bit more expensive, just by a few pounds in comparison to Giorgio Armani Si. So in terms of the notes, the top note is black currant syrup, the middle notes are Turkish rose and davana, and the base notes are benzoin and patchouli. The main accords are fruity, amber, warm, spicy, woody, rose, patchouli. There's a few others, but those are just the top 5. So my thoughts on this is, when I first smelled it, I thought it would be different to Giorgio Armani, to the original, just because the notes are different. So I assumed it would be a slightly different scent, but to me, it's just a deeper version of the original. Don't get me wrong, it's stunning, I love it. I would definitely repurchase, but it's just, to me, it's still the same warm, sexy, but it's slightly sweeter and slightly deeper than the original Si. I haven't heard that the original Si is like not strong enough, but if you find that it's not strong enough for you, or it doesn't last as long, you would definitely want to try the intense version. But for me, there's not like a drastic difference between the two. I would say you get the kick of like the blackcurrant notes and the syrupy notes, which makes it quite thrown and sexy, whilst the amber kind of makes it a bit more like sophisticated and a lot richer. Like I said, it's very close to the original, but I would just say it's stronger. Do you need both? Definitely not. I feel like if you have the original and you're happy and satisfied with it, you don't need to go and run and get the intense, because honestly, they smell very similar in my opinion. Let me just smell this one again. Yeah, they smell very similar. I just feel like the blackcurrant is a lot more prominent in the intense version in comparison to the original, but I wouldn't run out and buy both if you don't have to. I will say that longevity for the Si Intense is definitely a lot longer than the original. The original, like I said, lasts about 8 hours. I would say this lasts around 10, 11, hitting 12 hours. It lasts a really long time on the skin. And so again, if you're looking for something a bit more intense, but you really like the scent of the original, I would definitely try this. Overall, I would say I love both. I love both. If I was to repurchase, it's hard. I would repurchase. I can't say which one I prefer, because like I said, they are very similar, but just this one is like more deeper, has more, and it's slightly sweeter. And sort of as it's like dried down, I feel like it's more spicy too, whereas I feel like the original Si, the dry down is less spicy and more sweet. But the difference between the two is very minute in my opinion. I feel like the average person is not going to know the difference unless you have like a really bomb nose and you can really smell the difference in notes. But they are very similar. But overall, I absolutely love both of these. I would definitely repurchase both. I might repurchase Intense over the Si just because it lasts a few extra hours, but that's the only reason why I would repurchase this over the original. But overall, I love both of these. Like I said, Giorgio Armani Si range is one of my favorite ranges from the brand. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this fragrance. Based on this review, would you go out and purchase it? If you love the original Si, I'll definitely try and get a sample or just smell it in the store to see how you like it. But as mentioned, they are very similar. But that's the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I will leave all my Giorgio Armani Si related videos in the description box down below if you're interested. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.